Hello guys, and welcome to another Wizard Watch video. Today we're going to show you a very beautiful Citizen watch. This is a dress watch. It's come from Citizen collection. So before we start, if you're new to my videos, please subscribe to this channel and turn your notifications on. Then you can get future updates about upcoming videos. So let's open the box. Inside we get typical Citizen international warranty card and instruction manual. Here inside you have all the details of the watch and stuff. Here is our instruction manual with a reference number, as you see, the NB1041-84E. And here our watch. Let's move the box aside. And boom. So this is the Citizen, the NB1041-84E. It's a dress watch. It's a beautiful dress watch, very simple and elegant. As always, we first start talking about the movement. Inside we get the Citizen caliber, the 9011. This movement doing 8 beats per second. We get 24 joules. We have 42 hours of power reserve. This movement is hacking and winding. The accuracy rating is -10 plus 20 seconds per day. This watch doing -2 seconds per day, which is extremely well in my opinion for the price we pay and what we get. Let's move now to the specs. We get stainless steel case. We get push crown. Because this is a dress watch, we don't need a screw down crown. We only get 100 meters of water resistance. The glass is sapphire glass with AR coating. We get very nice bracelet with a folded clasp and a push button release. As you see, built really well. We have solid links, solid end links. We get also micro adjustment, 2 micro adjustment, and we have the Citizen logo on the clasp. It's a very nice bracelet. As you see also, we get exhibition case back. Let's have a closer look now. As you see, we can see the rotor and all the moving parts, which is extremely nice. Let's have some macro shots also. We get a deeper look on everything inside the movement. As you see, the caliber 9011, 24 joules, Citizen, Japan. Really nice. So let's move now the dimensions for this watch. I will show you first the measurements for the bezel. If I measure the bezel, as you see, we get 40.2. If I measure the case, we get 41, exactly like in a Citizen site. The lug to lug is 47.5, the thickness is 11.3, and strap size, this is where comes the tricky part. The strap size is 21. This watch weighs 140 grams. Now we'll have wrist shot. And boom. Now you can see how this watch sits on my 6.8-inch wrist. This watch wears extremely well. As you see, we have a curved structure of the case, which makes the watch sits on the hand really well. Also, one detail that I forgot to mention on the bracelet, why is this bracelet is very good even when the size is 21, and I will show you. This is one of the links of the bracelet, and let's say in the future when I will get many scratches on the bracelet and I will want to restore it, I just need to take this pin out, and all the 5 parts here, all the 5 parts come down, and then I can brush them, polish them, do whatever I want, restore them exactly like how the bracelet was. This is a important detail on the bracelet because it's built like this. You will be able to, you know, restore the bracelet and make it like a new one, like how it was when you buy the watch. So the whole engineering in this bracelet is really well, in my opinion. How you can disassemble all the parts and, you know, restore everything very easily. So let's remove the watch. Now we will have auto shot, and then we get back here. Now we can see the watch out in the sun, see that beautiful black dial, how all the details pop out, the indices, the hands. It's a beautiful watch. I'm very excited to do this review because this watch comes to my I bought this watch for my collection, and I really love this watch. And I already made a few scratches on the case, on the bracelet, but I'm not worried about that because in the future, as I said, I can restore the bracelet very easily. It's a beautiful, elegant watch that built really well. So guys, this was the Citizen, the NB1041-84E. It's a beautiful dress watch, well built, very elegant, have very cool design from the case, the dial, the hands, the bracelet also. This watch cost between $470 to $550. It's a not cheap watch, but yet not also expensive. I only have one complaint on this watch, and is the bracelet. The size of the bracelet, the bracelet is 21 millimeter. Why to make it 21 millimeter, I still don't understand. It's limit options to buy a leather strap or silicone strap or whatever we can still find in 21 millimeter, but much less than 20 or let's say 22. Overall, it's a great, beautiful watch, very elegant, very accurate also. As I said, this watch doing -2 seconds per day, which is extremely well. Also, if you guys interested in this watch comes in different colors. You can find that in black, of course, blue, white, rose gold, and silver. I will pop them up on the screen now, and you can see they're very gorgeous watches that build really well. And I believe most of these watches, when you take them out of the package, they will do great timing around that I believe -5 seconds or +5 seconds. It's a great, beautiful watch, and those who will buy it will enjoy it really a lot. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this review. Please, if you can, like and subscribe to this channel. It will help a lot. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.